Hello, welcome to the American Foodie. So today I'll be making Katsu curry, a fast food favorite of Japan. This is a slight variation of that. I'm using a chicken cutlet instead of a pork one to make it ever so slightly healthy. I guess about as healthy as you can make a deep fried meat cutlet. So first what I do is I take a little salt, lightly season my chicken breast, and my flour, and then I also season with just a dash of pepper here as well. Rub that in nicely. Then I take a piece of pasta wrap, a meat tenderizer, and I lightly pound the chicken. This is more in order to get a nice flat shape, so when I fry it, it fries evenly. Okay. Now I stir this up a little bit. Coat this with flour. Then I dip it into a well-beaten egg. And then I coat it in panko breadcrumbs. Okay, now it should be ready for frying. Okay, so now I've been heating up some oil to fry my chicken in, and also I've been boiling some water, half a cup of water, and now I will drop a block of my golden curry in there to make my curry sauce. One of these guys. Now I'll just keep stirring this until the sauce is well, until the water actually becomes sauce. Yeah. Okay, I can see this. The curry block is mostly integrated into the sauce. Just need to give it a little bit more of a stir. Okay, it looks like my curry sauce is done now. Turn the heat off there, and I'll move this off the heat. Meantime, it looks like my oil's gotten nice and hot, so I will drop my chicken in there. And I will deep fry that until it gets golden brown. Okay, so I can see in the fryer that my chicken is nice and golden brown now, so I'll use my handy dandy spider to fish it out of the oil, and I'll leave it on this paper towel lined plate in order to give it a second to cool down. Okay, so now that my chicken has had a second to cool down, I bring it over to my cutting board here. Notice it's a new cutting board because the old one had raw chicken on it, and I don't want to cut my cooked chicken on this same cutting board, so I'll cut it into 1-inch strips. Okay, and I can see from the inside it's totally white and cooked through. So it is ready to get plated. You can see right here. And now what I will do, I will pour my curry sauce on top of that. Okay. It's nicely covered. Okay. And there you have it. My Katsu meal ready to eat. Enjoy.